The Bulgarian Hip Hinge was made famous by the legendary strength and track coach Dan John, who called it the Bulgarian goat belly swing, a noble name for an honourable exercise. Apart from building muscle, the Bulgarian Hip Hinge is great for improving hip flexion and single leg balance and stability. Items needed: a platform, bench or bar on a rack, and one dumbbell. Have one foot behind you on a platform, using the ball of your foot as your balance tool. Place the dumbbell in front of your resting knee and take a step forward into position. Slowly and under control, hinge into a tabletop position by pushing your glutes back as far as they will go, while keeping the dumbbell in front of your resting knee. Maintain a slight bend in your working leg throughout the movement. Return to the start position and repeat for the desired amount of repetitions.